naglabas ng opisyal na pahayag ang Phoenix Petroleum nitong Huwebes, March 12, 2026, kung saan sinabi ng kumpanya na nagkaroon umano ng issue sa pagitan nina Olympic gold medalist Hidilyn Diaz at ng Phoenix Petroleum noong 2022. Bagamat kinumpirma ng kumpanya na 2 taong nabigyan ng libreng petrolyo ang atleta, sinabi ng Phoenix Petroleum na nahinto umano ang lifetime fuel donation ng kumpanya dahil sa pag-endorso ni Hidilyn ng ibang petroleum company. Ayon pa sa Phoenix Petroleum, ang ibinigay na free fuel for life na donasyon para kay Hidilyn ay may mga kaakibat na kondisyon. At dahil naungkat ngayong 2026 ang tungkol sa free fuel for life na donasyon ng kumpanya kay Hidilyn, sinabi ng Phoenix Petroleum na hindi umano maintindihan ng kumpanya ang umano'y misleading narratives and unfair criticism na natatamo nito mula sa netizens. Dagdag pa ng Phoenix Petroleum na pag-usapan daw sana yon ng maayos kung nakipag-ugnayan ang kampo ng atleta sa kumpanya. Kaya naman itong Biyernes, March 13, 2026, ay naglabas ng official statement ang manager ni Hidilyn Diaz na si Noel Ferrer matapos ihayag ng Phoenix Petroleum ang site nito tungkol sa free fuel for life para kay Hidilyn. Sa naturang pahayag, sinabi ng kolumnista na wala umanong kondisyong nailatag sa kanila na nagsasaad ng limitasyon sa gantimpalang ibinigay ng kumpanya sa atleta, kaya hindi raw niya maunawaan kung paanong ang ganoong pangyayari ay iniugnay ngayon kay Hidilyn. Gayunman, sinabi ni Noel na nagpapasalamat pa rin daw si Hidilyn sa suportang natanggap nito mula sa kumpanya sa mga nakalipas na taon. Ito ang nakasaad sa official statement ng manager ni Hidilyn. We have taken note of the statement released by Phoenix Petroleum regarding the fuel donation extended to Hidilyn after her historic gold medal win at the Tokyo Olympics. First, we would like to reiterate our appreciation to all companies and individuals who supported Hidilyn following her victory. At the time the fuel benefit from Phoenix Petroleum was announced, it was presented publicly as a free fuel for life reward, and it was conveyed to us as a gesture of support and recognition for Hidilyn's achievement for the country. Importantly, no conditions or restrictions were communicated to us at the time the reward was given. It was only around 2 years later that conditions relating to brand alignment were raised. This came as a surprise to us, as such conditions were not part of the original understanding when the reward was publicly announced and initially provided. There was also no agreement or condition communicated that would prevent Hidilyn from entering into partnerships with other petroleum companies. For this reason, it is difficult for us to understand how circumstances that arose later can now be attributed to Hidilyn. It seems unfair for conditions to be introduced after the fact when the original gesture was presented to the public as purely gratuitous. We would also like to clarify that the statement I made as Hidilyn's manager was entirely factual and based on the circumstances as they occurred. Any public reaction that followed is not something Hidilyn or her team sought, and it certainly was not intended to create hostility toward any party. That said, Hidilyn remains grateful for the support she has received over the years. Phoenix Petroleum decided not to continue the fuel benefit, and we respect their decision. Hidilyn's journey to winning the Philippines' first Olympic gold medal was driven by her desire to bring honor and pride to the Filipino people and to the country. It was never about free fuel or rewards. It was about raising the Philippine flag, hearing the national anthem played for the first time for an Olympic gold, and proving to the world what Filipinos can achieve when they fight for their country. Matatanda ang ibinalita sa pep.ph na sinabi ni Noel na drawing umano ang lifetime na fuel supply na ipinangako kay Hidilyn. Ito'y matapos naging usap-usapan sa social media si Hidilyn dahil naungkat kamakailan ang ipinangakong incentive ng Phoenix Petroleum sa atleta ngayong dumadaan ang mga Pilipino sa krisis dala ng pagtaas ng langis sa bansa.